Hello everyone, today let's we meet 20 insect names. First, ant. Ants are small insects that live in groups. They are very hardworking and strong for their size. Ants carry food to their nest. They live in houses, soil, and trees. Next, bee. Bees are flying insects that make honey. They collect nectar from flowers. Bees help plants grow up by pollinations. They live in hives. Next, butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings. They fly from flower to flower. They drink nectar from flowers. Butterflies look very beautiful. Next, mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects. They bite humans and animals. Some mosquitoes spread disease. They grow near dirty water. Next, housefly. Houseflies are common insects. They sit on food and garbage. They spread germs and diseases. We should keep food covered. Next, cockroach. Cockroaches live in dirty places. They come out mostly at night. They spread germs and illness. Clean homes keep them away. Next, beetle. Beetles have hard wings. They come in many colors and sizes. Some beetles can fly. They live on plants and soil. Next, grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump very high. They have strong back legs. They eat grass and leaves. They are found in fields. Next, dragonfly. Dragonflies have long bodies. They have two pairs of wings. They fly very fast. They live near water. Next, ladybug. Ladybugs are small and round. They are red with black spots. They eat harmful insects. They help farmers and plants. Next, termite. Termites eat wood. They live inside soil and walls. They damage furniture and houses. They live in groups. Next, wasp. Wasps look like bees. They can sting painfully. They make paper-like nests. They eat insects and food. Next, moth. Moths look like butterflies. They fly mostly at night. They are attracted to light. Some moths damages clothes. Next, cricket. Crickets make chirping sounds. They are active at night. They jump and fly short distances. They live in grass and soil. Next, flea. Fleas are very small insects. They jump from one animal to another. They suck blood. They cause itching. Next, louse. Lice live in human hair. They suck blood from the scalp. They cause itching. Cleanliness prevents lice. Next, firefly. Fireflies glow at night. They produce light naturally. They look very attractive. They live in open areas. Next, weevil. Weevils damage grains. They live in stored food. They are very small insects. They spoil rice and wheat. Next, aphid. Aphids are tiny insects. They suck plant juice. They damage crops. They live on leaves. Next, caterpillar. Caterpillar is the baby of butterfly. It eats a lot of leaves. It later becomes a butterfly. It moves slowly.